Hello friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. Today I did a little shop my stash for you. We just kind of chit-chatted, created this look. It was very quick, very simple, not as many products as I normally would use. I really like how it came out. It's just this really pretty, just glowy, summery skin. I didn't wear foundation today. The eyes are very, very simplistic aside from the giant wing. I love these little pops of color. I hope you guys like this video. I used a lot of older makeup. I used some stuff I haven't touched in a while, and yeah, let's just hop into it and play with some makeup, shall we? Hello, welcome. Let's create a look. I did already prime. I always prime before I throw in my brow gel just so that my primer can really sit into the skin. I used my Illamasqua Beyond Veil Skin Glowing Gel Primer. I've just been really liking a glowy base for the last few years, so not stopping that today. We are, however, going to skip foundation. I don't feel like wearing foundation today. I really don't. Not at all, not in the slightest. I'm going to be using my Milk Makeup Flex Concealer just because I am desperately trying to finish it, so I want to just continue using it until it's gone. How are you guys doing? Today's the 5th. It's about 4 o'clock right now. This is going up tomorrow. My birthday is the next day after you're seeing this. It's on the 7th. Happy birthday to me. I'm going to be 26. How wild. I can't believe I'm going to be in the second half of my 20s. Time goes by so quick. No major birthday plans. We're just gonna hang out at home, Zane and I, and just order probably a tempeh burrito bowl for dinner. Super low-key and simple. We are still very much being socially distant, except for when I go to work in my private studio. How are things where you guys are living with cases rising and stuff? Florida's the absolute worst. Everyone has full permission to make fun of Florida because we are a hot mess over here. I get so heated about it. I wish everyone would just wear their masks and stay home if they can. It's not the hardest thing in the world. I get that we want to move on with life, but we can't just decide a pandemic's over because we're bored, you know what I mean? I'm gonna skip cream bronzer as well. I've been skipping it the last few weeks. I've honestly just not felt like doing that step. So we're just gonna move on to cream blush. I'm gonna use this Milani Cheek Kiss one in the shade Nude Flush. I quite like this shade. It's very cute. I'm just gonna squeeze a little of that on my beauty sponge and just start tapping it around on my little cheeks. Zane and I have been so lazy this weekend. We've just been hanging out on the couch, playing video games. I did film a few videos over the weekend, which was good. I took this weekend off leading up to my birthday just to have a little break, you know. I've been working so insanely hard in the salon, lots of 10, 11-hour days, so I figured I would just give myself a little break for my birthday. I deserve it. I really like this color, and I actually really like it on this Snow Foundation base. I just feel like it makes my skin look a little, I don't know, a little colored. I was gonna say rosy, but I wouldn't even say rosy. It just looks like I have a little bit of flush to the cheeks. For cream highlight, I'm gonna use my Colourpop Light Stick in Star Bright. This is probably gonna be a very simple makeup look. I'm not feeling anything crazy today, but I think that's fair. I've been doing lots of crazy stuff lately, so let's just tone it down a little bit. But who knows where we'll be by the end of this look. It could have progressed to something wild. Who even knows? I will never get over this light stick. It's my absolute favorite. It's so pretty and glowy. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and set the face. I'm just using my Milk Makeup Blur setting powder for like under my eyes and in my T-zone, and then I'll still use that NYX High Glass finishing powder. Thought I was gonna drop it. I keep getting questions on if I think that my salon is gonna close again with cases rising. I have no clue. I don't think I'm gonna close on my own accord anytime soon, at least, just because I feel pretty safe in my secluded studio. I have full control over making people wear masks and completely disinfecting my entire space in between people. On top of the fact that I also literally have to make money. I was already out of work for 2 months. I don't want to close again, but if we're forced to close, we're forced to close. But I highly doubt it's gonna happen. Our governor does not seem to care if we close or not. He very much so wants to just leave everything open. The economy is the #1 most important thing to him, and I get that it's important, but health, people dying, that seems like it should be more of a priority, but who am I to judge? It's not in my control, unfortunately. Do you guys have anything going on for July in your personal lives? I'd love to hear about it. We don't have anything major going on except for my birthday, and Zane and I will actually be at 7 years total later this month, which is crazy. Can't believe we've been together so long already. Time goes by so quick. For bronzer, I'm still gonna use this old Colourpop In It to Win It bronzer that I've had forever. I'm making like a significant dent in it, so we're just gonna keep going on this train. Why not? We just had our final design meeting for our house early next year the other day. That was good. Just kind of finalizing any decisions we want to make, picking our paint color, things like that. So that's really cool, just getting the ball rolling. I can't wait to watch it like start actually getting built. I think I decided I'm not gonna vlog the process just because it does put a lot of pressure on me to vlog when I'm trying to worry about like real life stuff. So don't think I'm gonna vlog it, but I probably will post pictures on my Instagram story and my personal Instagram and stuff like that. So you guys will still see some stuff. I might do like a house tour once we're moved in and settled, but I'm still undecided about that as well. We deserve to have some privacy, you know what I mean? But I will share some pictures here and there. Oh, my skin's looking so good. My goal was just kind of effortless looking. Nothing too crazy. For blush, I want to use this Kaleidos Lo-Fi blush. This is the rose one. I'm going to use the matte one, obviously. The other side is more of a highlight. It's really pretty, but not totally what I want today. And I'm still going to go pretty ham with the blush just because I literally can't help myself. Blush is one of my most favorite steps in my makeup routine. I asked about it on Twitter. I wanted to get your opinion as well because I know a lot of you don't follow me on Twitter. My Twitter is very tight-knit with just a few of you, which I actually really love. But would you guys ever be interested in Zane and I streaming video games? Nothing serious, just like old Nintendo games like Paper Mario, Super Mario Sunshine, or even Animal Crossing, stuff like that. If we were to do it, we'd probably use Twitch. Zane seems to want to go more that route if we ever did it. It wouldn't be anything super serious, no like strict schedule or anything like that, just because, I don't know, we only have so much time in the day, you know what I mean? But, I don't know, would anyone watch if we ever decided to do that? Let me know. Because if yes, then I'll let you know if we ever do it. And if not, we'll just do it for fun, just for ourselves. We were just replaying the Super Mario Sunshine for the GameCube yesterday. It's just so fun. I so badly want them to come out with a sequel, like more than anything in the whole world. I need a sequel. I demand it. For freckles, I've actually been using 2 products. It's getting more and more extra, but partially just because I'm trying to use some stuff up. So I'm still using my Lime Crime Freckle Pen in Amber, but I've also been using my Lottie London Freckle Tint because this one's getting really low, so I want to use it up. And I also really do like the look of mixing the two together. I don't know, it's just really cute. I like to go heavier with the Freckle pen, the Lime Crime one, and just kind of sporadically put it everywhere. Forehead, cheekbones, nose. I try to hit my high points where the sun would hit me. Now that I have a decent base of that, I go in with the Lottie London one, and I just do a few very strategic, concentrated ones across the bridge of my nose because I really like the look of that. I think it's super cute. But obviously freckles are not everybody's game, so feel free to skip this step if you happen to be recreating my face routine. And then I actually like to go through with my damp beauty sponge and tap over it with this because I really like the way it disperses things. I think it's cute. I'll just kind of add more as I see fit if I feel like I need some new ones in certain spots. Not about does it for freckles. I don't want anything like too crazy. Just basic freckles for me, I suppose. For highlight, I felt like busting into my Milk Makeup Flex highlight. I really, really like this one. It's very smooth and very just glowy. It's very golden, but I feel like it actually works on my pale skin. Whenever I first got it, I was worried it would be too dark, but it's actually quite lovely. I just like how smooth it is. You guys know I really like a shimmery, glittery highlight, but once in a while I just want a very smooth, glowy highlight. I'm feeling very sunny right now. I think it's really cute. All right, setting spray. Colourpop Pretty Fresh. Look how close it is getting. We are almost done with this setting spray. I've been working at this since like early December, I think. Holy cow. All right, so the face is officially done. Let's hop onto the eyes. I think I want to just do something very simple with the eyes and then play with a really big fat wing. That's just, I don't know, that's what I'm feeling today. I don't really have a good reason. I am going to use the new KVD Vegan Beauty Shake Primer. I've used this a couple times now, and so far I actually really like it. You just do 1 drop, and it goes over both eyes, so it should last a very long time, provided I like it. As of right now, I do like it, but I've only used it twice. I feel like I need to use it for a longer period of time with different formulas, different weather conditions, environments, like all sorts of things. But so far I like it. It makes my lids like cling to the color nicely. I feel like my color payoff is nice. I wasn't sure if I would like this or not because it's clear. Like, you see what it looks like on my lids. There's no tint to it, and I do like a tint to my primer, but I don't know, something new. So for shadow, I'm going to be dipping into my Alter Ego Aurora palette. I haven't used this in a while, and I don't know. It's very summery, very cute. I kind of want to use these two shades right here. I'm just going to kind of dibble back and forth between them just to get a good in-between color. By the way, you can use my code BEAUTEBEAN in all caps on Alter Ego's site if you want to save some money. It is an affiliate code, just so you know. I will make a small commission if you purchase through my code, which I greatly appreciate, but do not feel pressured. I have reached out to the brand, by the way, and voiced that you guys really want them to do like shipping outside of the US. They said it's something they're working on. It's just unfortunately not something they're able to do right this second. But hopefully that will change. I'm on your side. I want them to expand so bad. I'm focusing this mostly in my outer corner. Not really trying to carry it through the rest of my eye look. More so just keeping it out there. I'm going to take the shade Shine just to add a little bit more, just something to kind of buff through the front half of the crease, something very soft and light, and just to help blend the outer edges, which I don't really need to do that. These shadows blend really easy on their own, but just to keep it really soft. Again, I'm not going for insane drama with the eyeshadow itself. I just want kind of a light wash of color through the lid and crease. For my lid itself, I kind of want to just put radiance across it. Maybe radiance into this shade. No, I might pop that on the lower lash line. I can't decide, you see? I think I'm going to do radiance though. I think that might be cute. Because again, I want like more of that wing to be the star of the show. I'm not even going to use glitter primer because I know a lot of it's going to get covered with my wing anyways. Which is why I don't want to be too insanely detailed with this. I just want a soft but light wash of colorful glam with this look. Very unusual for me to do something like this. I usually always do something a lot more dramatic or colorful, but you know, you gotta switch it up once in a while. I'm gonna take just any little pencil brush and I'm gonna take that Cosmic shade just to pop a little in my lower lash line, just to add a little something extra. Such a pretty color. I want them to come out with a new palette so badly. I think this was their most recent release and this was back in December, I think. I need a new palette from them so bad. I love their stuff so much. And that is kind of where that is at. I guess let's just use my Milk Makeup highlight to highlight my inner corner, that Flex one. Just gonna pop that in there just for a nice bright little glow. Oh, it's such a pretty highlight. It's just so smooth. Oh, it's so cute. I really am liking this vibe so far. It's about to change drastically when I add a big wing, but for now, here's where we're at. I'm gonna use this gel liner from Illamasqua. I don't use liners like this too often. I typically stick to like a felt tip pen, but I feel like getting some use out of this, so that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna try using this thin little angled brush from the e.l.f. J. Kissa collab. It's the J5 brush. Oh goodness, if I start messing this up, I'm gonna switch to my felt tip. I'm very nervous, especially doing it on camera. It's so hard for me to explain what I'm doing with wings on camera. I'm just gonna start by drawing a little bit of that wing shape right out here. Whew, so far so good. I'm gonna start drawing a little bit against my lashes. This is such a creamy liner though, it's pretty easy to work with. And then I'm gonna start about halfway up the tail and draw a straight line coming down. I'm trying to keep my lid closed for the most part, just so nothing transfers. And now I'm just gonna fill that in, and then I'll go back through and start kind of perfecting what my wing itself is doing, because that's not cute how it is. I have to kind of connect and extend that a little bit. Wings are just so personal though. It's so personal for your eye shape, your preference on product. If you're someone that's trying to learn how to do wings liner, all I can tell you is practice often. I recommend practicing at night when you're going to wash your makeup off anyways. Use different types of liners if whatever you're using doesn't seem to be working for you. Watching tutorials can help because maybe they try something that you haven't thought of, but for the most part it's a lot of trial and error. This was a really easy wing to create actually. A bit easier than maybe my felt tips, which is shocking. I think I just had really good luck today. Okay, well, this is very simple, I realize, but I like it. Sometimes I just want to do something a little more fresh looking. I don't know. I don't think most people would consider this fresh with the big wing. But I'm gonna recreate this on the other eye, throw on my big lashes, of course, liner in my waterline, lips, all that good stuff, and I will be back when I'm done. Hi, really quick before I zoom out and finish off this video, I did end up like tweaking my eye look just slightly. I went into my Ace Beaute Slice of Paradise palette and I took this Starling shade because I really liked the eye pencil I threw in my lip color with the pop of this like purpley pink, and I kind of wanted to mimic that on the eye just a little bit more. So I just simply took this shade on a little blending brush, like a little pencil brush, and I just smudged it on my lower lash line. Just so you're aware of the changes I made, I just kind of did it. I wasn't even thinking about turning the camera on to film it because it was such a quick little addition, but yeah. Hello, here we are. I guess I can tell you the details really quick. My eye pencil is the LA Girl Blaze Lip Pencil. It's what's in my waterline. Lashes are still Alter Ego from Bold Face Makeup, and on my lips I went with Starfish from Menagerie. I really like this. I just feel like it's very glowy, summery skin, and I love these pops of color. I think it's really cute. Okay, let me zoom you guys out and we'll finish off this video. Hello, I'm back, zoomed out. What do you guys think of this final look? I think it came out really cute. I love the pops of color and I really, really like the way my skin looks. I love a no foundation look and I always forget how much I love it until I do it again. So might be embracing no foundation for a little while. That might be fun. I don't really have much else left to say. I had fun creating this look. I think it's really pretty. I'm just gonna go relax, eat some dinner soon, and edit this video for you guys for tomorrow. Again, the day after you're seeing this is my birthday. I'm just gonna be relaxing all day long. I'm excited to just chill and eat some good food. Thank you guys so much for hanging out. I really appreciate it. If you made it to the end of this video, I want you to leave me a bird emoji, and if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you're not already, please hop over to my Instagram. It's Beaute and follow me there. I post every single day, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm posting most days here as well. Please check the link in my bio for resources on ways to help with Black Lives Matter. We need to make sure we are staying informed and educated during this time. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.